Hey guys, we're at the warehouse. Opening time, they probably have heaps of Hot Wheels out, but if not, that'll be disappointing. But we're going in nevertheless.
Come on in.
Speed walk. Bro, it's fully stocked dump bin.
Oh, look, Grand National.
Check the Lambos.
Okay, I'm just trying to find anything notable. Okay, what's here? Oh, the new Fast and Furious.
Yep, and Boulevard. Oh, Sylvia's. Yes.
John, here's the drift one.
Can I have it, please?
Yeah, there you go.
Oh my gosh, heck yes.
Oh, Stars and Stripes.
Finally got them.
And that's all. Oh, cool, Koenigsegg. Look at that.
Yeah, there's 1K case up there.
Oh, they have the Jaguar.
And so many Boulevard cases. Heck yes.
Yeah, I'm gonna go find a super. So, I'll be doing that.
Good luck. Oh my gosh, another Formula Drift. I'm getting...
Oh, look, they have custom auto.
and RX-7s, the
Look, 57 Chevy.
FC RX-7s.
Oh, you look here,
Oh
Harley.
yes. Oh, and this too, Tim.
Oh, the Porsche. Wait, is there another?
Yeah, there's heaps.
Okay.
Team Transport H cases.
That's just this, right?
They've got GVW C5. GJT 68. Sick. You see that case?
Mm-hmm.
It's that bottom one.
Do you want me to get it? Limited resources.
I'm quite short on funds today, so I probably just will pick up the Jag. Maybe actually none from this set.
Oh,
I know that RX-7 will sell out quick, but it's just like a recolor of what I already have.
Let's see that.
Agera R. First time I've seen these Koenigsegg's on the pegs. Well, the first time they've been back since the entertainment days.
Just up there. Okay, yeah.
And that.
Yeah. Okay. Well, got the Prelude.
And there'll be one more car in there. I can't remember which. It was one JDM one.
Got the Toyota.
Oh, there's the Tanner Fox,
Oh,
but
yeah.
I've got one in the basket you can have.
You can just put that one on the pigs. I'll just grab this one. And then we have another Jag.
On the other side is the JDM Legends truck. And Tim, check these out.
Oh, hell yeah, 4GT. Oh, the buggy.
Oh man, I actually want this
G-Wagon.
now.
Hell yeah, G-Wagon.
Okay. It's the G-Wagon.
And the Beetle.
The Riviera. Well, no, it's the GTO. Damn, look at that. There's the Bug.
The 4GT. I don't know.
And
It's
there's
actually not
the
very nice.
Ford GT.
Okay, I think I'm gonna get one guessing.
I don't know who that is, but there's the set. I'll probably only get the Gasser, maybe the GTO, but the rest not a huge fan.
These are the ones I might be getting. I might leave some.
Yep.
I gotta like evaluate my money situation. But okay, the Toyota's on the other side of this one, right?
Because it's almost $50 for a set of 5. Side of the case.
Okay, come on, Toyota, where is it? Oh, look at that. Oh, what's happened down there? Oh, there it is. There's the Datsun.
And that.
Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna get those.
I'll grab that.
There's the other Lambo. Big Air Bel Air.
And there's that. That looks really nice
Yeah,
though.
there's a bunch in there. Oh, Legends. Oh, yeah.
And there's the Plymouth Fury
Oh, this is actually really nice.
Custom Auto. Okay, the Bone Shaker
Oh, I'm holding it.
isn't an ID. There's sometimes 2.
I've thoroughly checked, though. Look, they got the other manga, whatever it's called, I forgot.
And there's that. There's the Toyota
That's pretty
pickup.
much. Look, back here, the cards are up, so you can see the other side.
Yeah. Alright, that's that from that. And this. Let's have another look through the dump bin. Alright, let's just look through this set. So we've got the RX-7, the NSX, the Charger, and the Javelin. No, it's a Plymouth GTX. That's alright. There's the Jag. While they're playing this horrible music, I'll just show you around more of the store. They've got the Stars and Stripes full sets. You can have them. You can look at the card to see what cars are in here. The So yeah, I'll start recording once this song's over. Alright guys, I ended up getting those three. We got a set of Formula Drift Sylvias each, and I got these main lines. And Tim got...
I just got a few things.
Some of the nicer premiums and a prelude.
Yeah, I might get some others once I have more money.
Sick. This 2000 GT is Tim's as well. But yeah. Thanks everyone so much for watching, if this even makes it to YouTube. I'll see you next time. Bye.